How to be a little Timmy in Animal Company. Step 1, go to the lab. You gotta go to animal, and you have to use a classic gorilla. Next, you have to go to color. You need to be a brownish color. Next, you have to take off all accessories. Now you look like a little Timmy. Next, you have to come over here. Consumables, eat some pink rock. Second, you have to go somewhere where you're allowed to scream. Now you make your voice really high, and now all you need to do is beg for free items and money. There you go. That's how to become a little Timmy.